Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to make money with Coinbase. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, any questions at all about this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at Coinbase, and the way you get to this website is you type in coinbase.com/earn. So it says here, earn crypto while learning about crypto. So discover how specific cryptocurrencies work and get a bit of each crypto you try out for yourself. And you just click right here to start earning. And here's a sample of what you're going to get. So you're going to get this right here. It's going to say start course. And what you're going to do is learn about this coin right here. And you're going to earn $10. Now, they got all different other coins and tokens that you can earn money just by learning about them. Now, what we're going to do is scroll all the way down here. And right here it says, how does Coinbase earn work? So you're going to watch videos. So we've created educational tutorials to teach you about different cryptocurrencies. You're going to complete a quiz. After each tutorial, you'll receive a simple quiz testing what you learned. Then you're going to earn. You'll receive crypto in Coinbase for every quiz you complete. And start today. So opportunities to earn crypto don't last long, so get started today, guys. Now, I want to show you another way you can earn money on here. So we're going to do is scroll down here and click on affiliates. So it's going to take you to the affiliate page. So become a Coinbase affiliate. Help us introduce the world to Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the new financial system. So you just click right there to become an affiliate. And let's just look and see how it works. So join our affiliate program and earn commission by promoting Coinbase. Become an affiliate. After your application is approved, you'll get access to promotional assets and impact tracking software. So you're going to promote Coinbase. So link to Coinbase is in articles, create new content, or place ads on your website. So if you have a website, you can place an ad on there for people can join Coinbase. Then you're going to earn commissions. When new customers join Coinbase through your promotions, you could earn a commission. Now they have a campaign tracking, so get direct access to your campaign's performance data. They got campaign testing, so you can test it. So test your campaigns with custom landing page tools and deep links. And custom reports. So set up 20 plus customizable performance reports. And they got convenient payments, so you can get paid locally, so get compensated in your local currency no matter where you live. Referrals Commission, check this out, guys. You're going to like this. Receive 50% of your referees' trading fees for the first 3 months. So whenever they're trading cryptocurrency on here, you're going to get 50% of their trading fees, guys. How about that? They have electronic payments, so get paid electronically via PayPal or your bank. So if you don't have a bank and you have PayPal, that's good. PayPal is available for everybody all around the world. So if you don't have a PayPal account, sign up today. Now, this is a very trusted platform, guys, so it's very easy to use, so you don't have nothing to worry about. It's very secure. So that's it, guys. So if you want to go ahead and make some money with Coinbase today, go ahead and go to coinbase.com/earn. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, I want to do one last thing before I end this video, and I like to do shout outs. So the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I pop it up here on the screen. So today's comment goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate it. Keep watching my videos, keep sharing my videos, and keep hitting that like button. Help this channel to grow. Okay, guys, thank you for your support. Keep supporting me, guys. Keep supporting me. Let's get to 7,000 subscribers by the end of this month of December. Right now, as I'm filming this, it's December the 29th, so we got a couple of more days. We can do this, guys. We can do it. So share this video and destroy that like button. All right, that's it. Thanks again. I really appreciate it. And I want to say this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.